Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, line up runway 06 via backtrack and report ready for departure.
We'll line up runway 06 via backtrack and we'll report when ready for departure. Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. This time I'm flying from Liepaja, Latvia, Echo Victor Lima Alpha to Nummela, our home base in Finland, Echo Foxtrot November uniform. We had our DA40 in Liepaja for the 100-hour maintenance, and I stayed in the city for 2 nights. The video itself was filmed in the beginning of September 2022. Quick shout out to the Air Baltic Maintenance crew who did an amazing job. Thank you again. Enjoy the video.
Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, ready for departure runway 06.
Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, wind 350 degrees, 15 knots, runway 06 free.
Runway 06 free, and I will do a left turn towards the north. Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike.
Roger, after departure, left turn towards north.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take off. Engine power. Speed alive. Good time. Alright guys, welcome aboard. A little bit of a hassle there getting my GPS working for some odd reason.
And here, when I'm talking about the GPS, I mean the GPS to my iPad. The G1000 already has its own GPS, so not worried about that, just for the clarification.
The ADL170 did not connect correctly, so I did not get the GPS signal from that device, meaning I had to get my other sort of backup GPS in order, and we're just climbing towards flight level 100. Let me just switch that to standard barrow, 1013, there we go, and heading towards Nummela. Really nice weather ahead, looking at the moment, and much clearer skies compared to what we had on our way here. Also, the sort of northern winds are really strong below the clouds, so I can already see it was almost 30 knots to the nose and under the clouds, but now we're doing 22 to the nose, and it should even calm down even more to something like 15 as we get to flight level 100. So really looking forward to this flight. Should be a nice high flight to Nummela, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, contact rig ACC on 135.100.
Off to Riga ACC on 135.100. Thank you for the good service, Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike.
Goodbye. Have a nice further flight.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
104, climbing to flight 200, emo Latma.
Canadian 2747, confirm.
Affirm.
Canadian 2747, Riga control, radar contact, for now 200 and will call you back for higher, direct to Adaxa.
Direct Adaxa and climbing to flight 200, Canadian 2747.
LSEC, go ahead.
Yes, so you say you need chance to descend to 6,000 feet and we'll go southbound flying back.
LSEC, that is approved. Below level 100 is uncontrolled airspace, so descend at your discretion, and for further information contact Liepaja information. It's frequency 129.4.
129.4 for information and descending to 6,000 feet, Yuri 5, thank you, bye-bye.
Riga Control, good afternoon, Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, currently flight level 905, requesting flight level 100.
Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, Riga Control, hello, radar contact, clear to enter controlled airspace via climb to flight level 100.
Clear to enter controlled airspace via and climb flight level 100, Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike.
Russia 6317, contact Vilnius 133.305.
133.305, thank you, good day, Russia 63 also.
Airport 1024, contact Vilnius 133.305.
133.305, Aeroflot 1024.
Guys, we made it about 23 minutes up to this altitude. I'll keep you posted as we continue or get closer to Estonia or
Nordic 1087, flight
see you guys later.
109er, climbing flight level.
5 more minutes until the border between Latvia and Estonia. There are some taller clouds ahead of us, but everything is very sort of overflyable on the route. There's nowhere near overcast where I'm going, so everything is really nice to stay on flight level 100. Yeah, the scenery is just awesome from here. The beaches, everything. Oh, the temperature is 0 degrees outside, so I do want to keep an eye on icing. But given that the air is so clear today, I don't anticipate any moisture that should begin to clog up on the wings at all. Starlink Control, good afternoon, Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, flight level 100, inbound LATEC.
Hello, Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, Tallinn, confirm you're squawking 4335.
Affirm, squawking 4335, Oscar Sierra Mike.
Hotel Alpha Sierra Mike, Roger, Tallinn, radar contact. Vilnius 6 Bravo Charlie, climb flight level 380. Lot 7 Mike November, descent flight level 100.
Descending for the 100, Lot 7 Mike November.
Air Baltic 4, Bravo Victor, clear director Romeo Alpha 703.
Romeo Alpha 703 for Baltic 4, Bravo Victor, dispatch.
Oscar Sierra Mike, request descent to flight level 80 due to clouds.
Oscar Oscar Sierra Mike, descent flight level 80.
Descent to flight level 80, Oscar Sierra Mike.
There was a long and fairly high cloud formation over the Baltic Sea, so I decided to go under it as opposed to try and circle around it.
Oscar Sierra Mike requesting further descent to 4,000 feet.
Oscar Sierra Mike, descent 4,000 feet.
Descent 4,000 feet, Oscar Sierra Mike. Man, these are nasty clouds. Better just go under them. Alright, we're coming home. 5 more minutes. And we'll go into the downwind part. 2,000 feet, there was a plane leaving directly to the west at 1,600 feet. So we'll separate a little bit. But should be a nice landing. Wind isn't too bad, let's listen to it.
Runway 04, threshold, runway 27, threshold is placed, runway 27, landing area 400 meters, transition level 50, automatic weather reports, wind 010 degrees 6 knots, variable between 290 and 070, gusts 12 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers. Scattered 5,500 feet. Temperature 17. Dew points 6. Recent rain. QNH 1017. Contact frequency 122.825.
Alright, QNH dropped a bit. We can see the airfield there, and wind seems to be all over the place, like it is usually in Nummela. That's Nummela. And yeah, it's a little bit gusty, so hope we don't get gusts all over the place. But we'll see how the wind is as we get down. Not too bad, to be honest. I can see the water quite flat, just a little bit of ripply, so not that heavy. 8 knots is not too bad. Speed checked, flaps, approach. Nummela liikenne Oscar Sierra Mike, perusosa 04. Nummela liikenne Oscar Sierra Mike kääntyy loppuun 04, loppulasku.
Nummela liikenne Oscar Hotel Charlie, Kilo Oscar. Rullaa asematasolta. Odotus paikalle alfa.
20. Better to do it with flaps approach. When how windy it was, doesn't pick up that much.
Alright, thanks for watching. Do subscribe as I will be sharing more videos this upcoming spring and summer. Thanks again, until next time.